Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I figured it's a better time than ever than to give a live update on what's been going on with our home renovation project. As our children's growing older, we decided our daughter Everly is in desperate need of her own room. Not only that, our crafts and art supplies is taking up the house, so we also decided to add on an art room. Here's where we started to build the floor. Me and my husband Brian are doing this project completely on our own by ourselves. Luckily, he's a plumber and he's got carpenter skills, so we don't need to hire anybody but ourselves. We got the floor down, now we're framing out the walls. Let me tell you, doing this on our own is not easy. It took many days to get all the wood together. That's also between all the rain and the thunderstorms trying to keep the wood out of the rain. We finally had some downtime to do the roof and to add on the tin. Tin is pretty expensive when you think about it. Luckily, we had some help from my cousin Caleb, and that was awesome. After we got the roof done, it made things a little bit more easier because now we're not in the rain, so we can work on the inside. Don't let it fool you, working on a house by yourself takes a lot of time and energy. While he was at work, I was in the process of ordering all the wood, the screws, the nails, everything that we needed so when he got off, we could finish. Sometimes the only time we had to work on it was at nighttime when our children was sleeping. Right here's where it first started getting hot outside and the mosquitoes came out. We got tired of working in the mosquitoes, so we hurried up and added the plywood to the sides for the walls. As we were finishing up the sides of the walls, we ordered the house wrap. That way we could keep all the moisture out of it. We were gonna put in this window, but then we decided against it. We still had a lot to do before we house wrap it. We were mainly focusing on getting both ends of the walls done here. After getting that done, we finished with the house wrap outside and then also added it on the inside. During this time, my husband added the electricity, ran the wire, added the light sockets, and then he installed the lights. As we were waiting for the insulation to come in, I went ahead and cleaned up all the floors, got all the cotton off the floors, and then we finished insulating the walls with the rest of it. Once we insulate the roof and close it up, then it's time to hang the sheetrock. Then we plan on buying some giant rugs or carpet to finish the flooring. Lord knows we are so tired and we are ready to be done with this project. As always guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure to go give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to follow us to see the finished result. Well guys, what do you think? For doing this project on our own with 2 people, it wasn't that bad, but it was still pretty crazy. I would do it all over again because we're that much closer to being finished. Make sure to go follow us for the finished result. Bye guys.